am going to the store to get some travel accessories, travel toiletries type things, because I'm going on a trip tomorrow and I just cannot, oh God. I always try to not overpack, but I don't know. I don't know what my problem is. It's like, I'm like, I might need this, I might need that. I really hope I didn't overpack. I have a sense that maybe I did, but you know, I don't know. I just hate, I don't want my luggage to be so heavy, but yeah, what can I do? And I misplaced a bracelet. I had the bracelet in my hand. I put it down to think about, am I gonna take it or not? I don't know where it is. It's gone. It sprouted legs and just tiptoed away. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some travel sized toiletries, because I'm telling you, the toiletries, that kills my bag. For some reason, it makes my bag super heavy. The makeup, everything. I try not to take a lot of makeup. Honestly, I don't. But every time I put it in, it's like, where's all the stuff coming from? Where's all the weight coming from? You know what I mean? So yeah, I really, yeah, so I'm off to the store. I'm off to the store. I just wanted to open the vlog, open Vlogmas. Vlogmas is basically about over, guys. I committed to doing Vlogmas and I did it. So really happy about that. Yeah, I'm happy I did it. So I got the hang of it a bit, and hopefully there will be more vlogs in the future. Of course, not every day, but yeah, I want to do some more fashion vlogs for sure, travel vlogs, things like that. Some cooking here and there, who knows? But yeah, so guys, I'll probably see you in the store. All right, guys, bye. So here's my suitcase. It's basically packed. So I like using compression cubes and all types of cubes so you can't see any of the clothing on the inside. So yeah, hopefully, I don't know, guys. This is for 10 days. So yeah. So this is what I'm wearing to the store. These are something like the jeans I posted in the vlog from yesterday, Vlogmas. I was actually going to go to Zurich in the city, but you know what? I just cannot be bothered. I don't know. I just didn't feel like it. I'm really just trying to de-stress. You know, I need to de-stress from work. Oh my God, I just feel like, I don't know. You guys know what I mean. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go to the local grocery store. And another reason why I didn't go to Zurich City, to like a big department store to get some travel size things. You know, they have the really good travel size items, and then you'll end up spending $200 on travel size things. You know, I don't want to do all that. Like, that's just a bit too much. You know, I saw this video, like, you know, people are just overspending like $500 on beauty products. You can easily just run it up, even on these travel size products, man. So I didn't want to fall into that trap, because I would have easily have done it, and I'm just not into it. I don't want to do it. Spend all that money for what? So I'm just gonna get a few things, and whatever I need, I can buy wherever I end up. So yeah. And by the way, if you want to see where I'm going, you'll have to check out the next vlog. Guys, it's ridiculous. Here is so packed. Like, I looked it up on the app to see if it wasn't as busy, and it's not supposed to be as busy at this time. Like right now they had a live thing. Man, this place is crazy. It's busy. I'm stuck in the parking garage here. There's nowhere to park. Like nowhere. Oh my God. I found a parking spot. I don't even want to go in this store. I hate going into crowded place. I don't like it. I don't like it. Some plastic bags. I cannot find the travel size stuff. Oh. It's crazy. Oh, the wrong place. Travel size. For a beauty blender? No. These makeup sponges are $4.25. Why are they selling the other ones for $22? That's crazy. Hey guys, I'm back from the store. It was crazy, it was crowded, it was all of the things. Man, I cleaned my screen on the phone, so hopefully that's clean. One second. I keep forgetting to buy these things. These things are like really good for your phone, especially if you wear makeup and stuff like that. Because my phone is always blurry, right? So what did I get from the store? I went to Coop for my travels, for my trip. I got some Ziploc bags. It's always good to have. I got some of these little pads. I'm going to decant my witch hazel into here, and then I can use the witch hazel. So I really like the witch hazel. It's really good for my skin. It's good as a toner, like I said before in the previous video, and it doesn't break the bank, and it works. So I bought some travel size toothpaste as well. I bought some Dove soap for my face, because that's good for your face. I didn't want to bring all of the cleansers and all of the things. I mean, oh my God, it takes up so much space. And I do want to do my skincare, I really do. But I'm trying not to have it be too complicated. So I would like to take my foaming cleanser, but I ran out of that anyways, about that much left, so yeah. I did buy some like little shower gel stuff. This is all they had. They didn't have a lot of stuff. Like that travel section sucked. It wasn't good at all. Like, yeah. So I might decant some of my shower gel. I bought two of these. I can't find the other one, but I bought two of these. So a mini hairspray where I'm going is very hot. So yes. Here's the second one. they have a big one, but I'm like, this, you only need a little bit, right? I'm also taking some shea butter as well. I love this stuff. This is empty, but I have another one that's full that I'm taking, but you can see it's empty. I love it. Oh, gosh. It's the best. Look at that, look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Bought another one of these. I just keep, I don't know, how many of these do I have? It's ridiculous. And yeah, that's about it. I wanted a mini one of these, but of course, the place where I went, they didn't have the minis. I would have had to go to Zurich, and I wasn't going there. And if that place was crowded, Zurich would have been ridiculous. So yeah. Anything else worth? Oh, I did buy some setting spray. I don't know how good this is, but like I said, where I'm going is really hot, so I need some setting spray, my makeup, and maybe I'll buy some more or a different brand at the airport. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't want to go overboard. So yeah, that's it. I did buy some really cheap mascara. I need to go buy, my favorite mascara that I really like is the Gucci mascara. I ran out of that a while ago, just haven't repurchased, but I really like that. If you haven't tried that one, try that one, the Gucci mascara. All right, guys, that's about it. That's my haul. I am about to relax and watch, I'm watching The Dune Prophecy on Sky, episode 6, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna finish watching that. I stopped to go to the store. Now I'm back. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. So I don't know, maybe that's the end of this vlog. So if it is, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to all of my vlogs. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. Yes, so I might vlog tomorrow and not tell you where I'm going, and then make another vlog of where I am going. Okay, I'm going to 2 places, so yes. But yeah, guys, so I'm not sure, maybe this is the end of Vlogmas, maybe not, but if it is, thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, have a cool day. Bye.